Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing the hardware so the connection is stable. Plug one end of a Cat5e or Cat6 cable into an open LAN port on your router and the other into the Xbox One Ethernet jack. Once done, power the console and make sure the router is on. This forces the Xbox to detect a wired link. You're doing this to avoid Wi-Fi interference and get lower latency. Now check the Xbox shows a wired connection icon before moving to network settings. You'll now configure the Xbox so it uses the wired link properly. Go to Settings, choose Network, then Network Settings. The console should list a wired network. Test network connection to verify internet, NAT type, and speed. If your network uses static IPs, select Advanced Settings and enter IP, subnet, gateway, and DNS manually. Otherwise, leave it on automatic DHCP. Doing this ensures correct address assignment and open NAT for games. Once tests pass, you can proceed to final verification. Finish by confirming the connection is gaming ready. Run test multiplayer connection and DNS in network settings so you know NAT and latency are acceptable. If anything fails, restart the router and the Xbox. Power cycling often clears temporary routing issues. Make sure the Ethernet cable is fully seated. If problems persist, swap the cable or try a different router port and consider entering manual DNS values. These steps remove common causes and get you back online without changing router firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.